Imagine making $50 a day just by using your phone. No office, no boss, and no complicated skills. All you need are a few powerful AI apps that do most of the work for you. Welcome back to Tech2Cash, where we turn technology into income streams. Today, I'll show you 5 free AI apps you can use right now to make money directly from your smartphone, whether you're a student, freelancer, or just looking for a side hustle. First on the list is Clarity AI. It's an app that summarizes YouTube videos, web pages, and long articles in seconds. People use it to gather quick information for blog posts, YouTube scripts, or client research, and they get paid for the time it saves. It's like having a research assistant in your pocket. Next is Caber AI, one of the coolest mobile-friendly video tools out there. With Caber, you can turn simple ideas or text prompts into short animated videos, perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Many creators use it to make faceless clips, promote digital products, and even sell AI-generated animations online. Then there's Copy.ai. It helps you write product descriptions, marketing captions, and ad copy for small businesses. You can run everything from your phone, write, send, and get paid. Fourth is Rimini. This AI photo enhancer app helps people restore old or blurry photos and charge clients for high-quality results. Many freelancers are already using it to earn consistent income from simple photo edits. Finally, CapCut AI. This app lets you create professional video edits using templates and AI-generated captions, all from your phone. Combine this with your creativity, and you can start offering short-form video editing services online. These apps prove you don't need a laptop or fancy setup to make money online. Your smartphone, powered by AI, is already a money-making machine. You just need to know how to use it. If you want me to show you step-by-step how to start making $50 daily using these apps, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we're turning tech into cash every single day. This is Tech2Cash, your plug for the smartest online income tools.